Taking some video here in the canyon, the shooting range outside of Whitehall. The mine's just right over that hill. Beautiful day here. Just walking through here, seeing if I can't run into something. That's a cool rock. Yeah. Just seeing what I can find. Might be onto something here as far as mud fossils go. That looks like an eye, mouth, and the nose. Huh. The heck am I looking at here? I don't know. Pretty bizarre. Almost like a bird. And that's its beak right there. Huh. It's pretty cool. Purple. Huh. Almost looks like another one. Sticking out. Yeah. Pretty sweet place. That's crazy. There's the mine and the towers. Yeah. Golden Sunlight, Barrick mine, gold mine. Gotta be careful because there's cactus. Whoa. Look at that. It's like a pterodactyl's face. Wow. No way. There's the Oldsmobile on the edge. Alright, I gotta take a better look